Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. In this video, we are standing in the print catalog sections. In our print catalog sections, there are many beautiful varieties which are very premium segment in print. I am gonna showcase you in this video. My only request you to all of you to watch the video from start to till the end. Some of your beautiful premium concepts in grand occasional purposes or your family functions. Many are the wholesalers and traders are very highly moving and hot selling items are from print catalog sections. Yeah, it's neither be silk or it's not be cottons. In print catalog sections, there are very beautiful premium quality segments which I am going to showcase you in this video. So guys, start the video now. First, I am going to have these kind of concepts. Kinjal concepts. Have all the catalog names you have to write it down or have the screenshots or remember in your mind. Because of that also you can give the some details about what you want to the screen available number or one of our sales executive. These kind of concepts also you will get here only. What the catalog, these kind of catalog you will get here only. Kinjal volume number 4 by Kesaria Textile Company. In this, whatever the catalog item Kinjal is having in our concepts, all the colors, all the designs you will get in this kind of photo article form, which you name it catalog. See, all the how many pieces you will get in the same designs, whatever be the color, that kind of whatever be the range, all these kind of information it's mentioned in this kind of catalog. So guys, next one, these kind of also we are very highly manufacturing here only. Popo with blouse, these kind of very these concepts are very likable and running object in the Gujarati or Rajasthani. These kind of concepts are very highly movable running product. See, talking about the fabric will be chiffon, georgette, that kind of fabric you will get here only. Next one, if you are interested in some beautiful digital concepts, then also you can have it in this. This name is Hum Tum with blouse. Have the screenshot in the number. Very easily feel free wearable and very comfortable to wear also. All the ranges are very reasonable in our company about all the particular product. In all the designs you will get 6 to 7 pieces in all of our varieties. Next one, this kind of very beautiful form in weightless also. See, you will get the proper some sequence kind of work you will get here only. See, in this the range will be you will get 515 these kind of concepts. All the varieties, all the colors in this available also. Next one, these kind of concepts also you will provide. See, this one also one of our moving item, butterfly, have the name, and these kind of beautiful occasional wearing purposes saree you will get in here only. See, let me open you once in a while for you all. See, see, these kind of beautiful concepts you will get here only. According to that beautiful fine bordering work you will get in the traditional form. See, and the beautiful tassels also maintained here to give the complete unique and heavy look of this particular saree. In this you will get number of different colors in this variety. See, these are the colors you will get in this here on. See, these kind of all the very beautiful colors you will get in these designs. Talking about the ranges, Ranges you will get 140, 110, 120, 130, that kind of 200, 230, 250, that kind of concepts you will get here only. Next one, moving to our one of our beautiful concepts and collections in this video, I'm going to showcase you some beautiful collections of weightless, and next one is these kind of concepts like PC moss and printed stones. Let me open for you and you can see the whole total varieties. Let's see. First you can see this kind of catalog, that whatever the photos and articles you will get in this set, it's going to be mentioned in this article with the form of photos. See. Let me open one saree for you get the better idea that whatever the product is. See. These kind of complete occasional wear purposes sarees also we will manufacture here on. In your mind, the question will be arise that why will you choose Kesaria? Simple, the question answer is one or two or many, but I give you the answer in a form of sentence. Kesaria Textile Company is one of the leading manufacturing brand or company in Surat, which manufactures the fine, complete, premium quality segment with a manufacturing wholesale reasonable rate. So guys, talking about the customers, you can see the customers, happy customers, satisfied customers photos also, in which you get the ideas that we are having the customers in our India also, abroad, foreign country also. 30 to 35,000 plus customers have their business journey with us. So guys, no worry, there is no any mislead or misconception about misbeliefs about our company. Have the faith in our company, because our company have the journey of 40 years. Yeah, 30 to 40 years our company have the leading part in the textile industry. So guys, have the faith and do the business. And let me remind you, there is no foundations or limitations to the investment or budget. If you have 40,000, 50,000, 1 lakh also, then also you can have your business within your home or any of your rental shops also. If you are new in textile industry, then also our main salesperson will give you complete guide of our company and of our textile business. So guys, in this video, that's all in this video. See you in the next video. Whatever the line, whatever the product you like, have the screenshot and send to the screen available number. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.